Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got the old Mongo man here in the kitchen tonight. I've been threatening on doing this for a long time now, and I think it's about time that we make some spaghetti. Come along with me and you can see how I make my world famous spaghetti. All right, let's talk about ingredients. 1 pound ground beef, minced garlic. What is this? I don't know, probably Aldi's brand. Some Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, salt, breadcrumbs. I usually don't mix these, but I have a meat and a traditional Reggiano sauce. We're gonna do some ziti, sugar, black powder, black pepper, oregano leaves, parsley flakes, and granulated garlic. Some of you guys may or may not agree with the way I do this, but I definitely put sugar in my spaghetti just to kind of break the acidity of the sauce up. I don't like a real acidic sauce, but I do like a sweet sauce. So check it out. We're gonna take the first things first, get this set up. I do have the water here for the ziti. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on high, and a pinch of salt. Sugar, first things first. Turn the right burner on. I believe this is 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Yes, 1/3 of a cup. And no teaspoons are present. Bunches of tablespoons, but I don't want a tablespoon. I want a teaspoon. So with the teaspoon front, we're going to put this on about 8. We want an overflowing teaspoon of salt. Just enough black pepper to give it a kick. Just enough oregano leaves. I found that if you put too much oregano or too much parsley in it, it gives it a real homey flavor, real earthy flavor. And I'm not really into that. I do like garlic though. So with the garlic, we're gonna put some minced garlic in.
Trying to get them in the house.
Looks like we're just gonna finish that up.
All right, well, I'll let you know. Yeah, you can. All right. Bye.
That's a full teaspoon of minced garlic. Worcestershire sauce. Soy sauce. Breadcrumbs. 1, 2, 3. Throw the lid on the floor. Okay. Ground beef. Trusty old spatula. And what we're going to do is we're going to brown this meat up with the sugar, the salt, the pepper, the oregano. The garlic. If I was making lasagna, there would be some green peppers in here, as well as real onions. But for the spaghetti, we don't go that crazy. We've got the heat on just a little above medium. It's on 7 on my cooktop here. Browning this off. As you can see, the sugar and the salt and the pepper and the oregano and the parsley and the garlic all make a nice little sauce in there. And I like to brown the meat in that just to get almost a sweet meat. I said sweet meat, but the reason I like to get it sweet is because to take the tartness away. We already talked about that. I don't like the real tart sauce. And I will completely brown this all the way through and through before adding the sauce. The only thing that doesn't go really well here is that I can't really judge the taste yet until the sauce is added to the meat. So we're kind of flying blind right now for flavor. As this meat is browning, it has a real oriental smell, specifically because of the sugar, specifically because of the sugar, the soy sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, and the garlic. So we're going to put the meat sauce in here now. A little bit of water. Rinse the jar out. Now, once you got the sauce added, we're going to turn this down because we don't want this to boil over. Essentially, we want it to simmer. And you see, the sauce is not such a deep red, but more of a, I don't know if you call that a burgundy or a brown. Same thing, rinse out the jar. And now we can start to get some of our first tastes to tell where we're at. Right now it's just about right. It's not too sweet, it's not too salty, it's not too hot. And of course, it's all just blended together. It's not cooked. It's not marinated together yet. We'll let this cook while we're allowing the ziti to cook. So it's going to be on here for 12 minutes or so until we get the pasta al dente. Turn that heat up a little bit to get this into a simmer. And we'll just let it go. Let all those flavors marry together. Hopefully once that's done, we'll be ready to go. Get out of there, Mike. The ziti is in. Box says 9 to 10 minutes on this ziti. Hey Cheryl, set the timer for 9 minutes. Mongo's world famous spaghetti. Yes, it is just a doctored up sauce. You can put whatever noodle you want in it, but it is a crowd pleaser. Everybody here at the house, except for maybe Cheryl, likes it, but she doesn't like spaghetti anyway. So it is what it is. She will eat it, but she doesn't like to eat it every day. I have all of about 20 minutes in prep time, maybe just a little bit more than that, maybe a half hour. And there it is. It is a done deal. We're waiting on KJ to get home from basketball practice, and then we'll dig in. All right, so that's the first official Mongo's Garage Mechanic in the Kitchen video. If you guys like this kind of stuff, make sure you comment below. Maybe I'll do some more of it, or maybe I won't. I don't know, we'll see. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.